Scene script. Could the upcoming Southern African Development Community, or SADC, Summit in Zimbabwe, be the turning point for the crisis in Mozambique? This question has been at the forefront of discussions between policymakers, analysts, and regional stakeholders. In a news-style update, we delve into the key issues that are anticipated to dominate the upcoming summit. These include the ongoing crisis in Mozambique's Cabo Delgado province and the collective response of the SADC nations. Since 2017, the Cabo Delgado province has been a hotbed of violence and extremism, with a locally known group, Al-Shabaab, wreaking havoc in the region. The group, with ties to ISIL, has carried out sophisticated attacks, leading to nearly 3,000 deaths and displacement of almost 800,000 people. The Mozambican government, with its under-equipped military, has struggled to contain the violence. In response to this crisis, the SADC nations agreed to deploy troops to Mozambique. However, the specifics of this deployment, including the number of troops and operational details, have been kept under wraps. What we do know is that the deployment is expected to involve countries with the capability to assist, such as South Africa, Zimbabwe, Namibia, and Angola. However, funding and logistical challenges remain a concern for this deployment. These issues, among others, are expected to be at the top of the agenda at the upcoming SADC Summit in Zimbabwe. The summit represents an opportunity for the SADC nations to solidify their collective response to the crisis in Mozambique. It's a chance for these nations to demonstrate their commitment to regional security and stability, and it's an occasion for them to address the logistical and funding challenges that have been a stumbling block for their collective response. In conclusion, the upcoming SADC Summit in Zimbabwe is more than a meeting of nations. It's a pivotal moment for the SADC nations to address one of the most pressing security challenges in the region. It's an opportunity to demonstrate solidarity and to forge a path towards peace and stability in Mozambique. The world watches and waits with high expectations.